and welcome to another YouTube video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how you can use Quora in order to optimize your business page on this very profile, and how you can create a topic for your very company and your brand's name as well. And this is something that's new. This is something that's complicated as well. So you don't need to be confused. All you need to do is follow these steps very carefully and have a clear set of goals of what you want to achieve with marketing your brand on Quora. So the first thing that you need to do is you need to go to the search Quora bar and you need to insert your company or your brand's name. We're going to insert Digital Aztec here and see whether people have followed it or not. So in the suggestions, we can see our profile, but we can also see a topic because we have created a topic for our company. So creating a topic for your company is something that's very useful, because every time someone follows you, they'll be following your company as well, and they'll be curious enough to check out your page. And this will also notify you about any mentions, about anyone who's basically inserting your brand or business's name into their question, and you'll be able to explore whether you can provide services to them, so it can help you target your audiences in a very specified manner. However, if you do not have a topic, what you need to do is you need to click on the add new question, because if you have your topic right here in the suggestion, then it's all good. But if you don't, then you need to create your topic. And as you can see that we have Digital Aztec here as the subject of our question. So what we can do is we can ask a question like, what services does Digital Aztec provide? And that's how we'll be able to add a question about our topic right here. And anyone who basically follows this question, anyone who basically follows this question, or anyone who answers this question, will be able to check out our company, and they'll be able to see what we're about. And it will also notify us about any potential customers or any followers that we have. So this is an extended way of making sure that you have a considerable amount of followers on Quora. So after we're done framing our question, we're going to click on add question here. And another thing that we can do is we can insert a link of our website. So this is how you can create a topic for your company if you don't have one already. And if you have one, you need to make sure that it's being followed well. It seems a bit complicated at first, but it's easy and it's simple. And you need to make sure that you create a topic for your brand to make sure that you're reaching out to the right kind of audience on Quora.